I don't know about you guys, but that sunset never gets old. We're gonna go try and go into this little cove area, and then if that doesn't do well, we're gonna go over to that rock and hopefully get our limits tonight. Let's do this. Hey, so I took my cousin out night diving for lobsters a couple days ago, and I just want to share kind of like the journey with you. If you've ever been interested in going offshore at night under flashlight to go catch lobsters with your hand, I highly recommend it. There's some good spots up and down the coast of California that are very beginner friendly. So sit back, relax, and catch some lobsters with me.
We're going.
So right here I'm measuring it. As soon as you catch one, you have to use this little metal gauge to see between the eyes and the back of the shell if it's large enough. If it's not, you gotta let it go. So I've had a lot of luck finding structure kind of like this where you have rock and some of this reddish covering. For whatever reason, the spiny lobsters love to kind of either hide in the crevices or even come out and walk around. And when you see them, or you see this kind of structure, you know you're in a good spot. What's super cool is that when you start going out more and more, you'll start seeing different creatures that come out only during the nighttime or more prevalently during the night. And it's just kind of an awesome thing to see. You know, different types of fish, and their behavior is totally different as well.
Found a bunch of crabs. Where? They're down over here. There's an octopus too.
Are they big? Are they red?
Yeah.
The southern kelp one?
I don't know.
Oh, you should grab one, dude.
Tastes here, man.
They're good. Tasty.
Big ass pictures. I found an octopus too.
So here's that southern kelp crab my cousin was a little scared to grab, and rightfully so. I've grabbed many of these in the past, but this is the first one that actually reached behind and got hold of my middle finger and just started the vice grip, just crushing my hand. Barely got it out.
You got me.
Break the glove or not?
It's definitely gonna leave a mark.
Oh damn.
Now it's tight.
This was one of the coolest animals I saw of the night. It was some sort of butterfly ray, and it was super curious and just liked to swim near me for a while. So for all those guys and gals that love to go after corbina in the surf, here's a different angle for what you're trying to find. They're really in the shallows, not really near structure, just looking for food. So after about an hour and a half of diving, catching a whole bunch of small ones, this was the only keeper that we were able to get our hands on. Thought we were gonna lose it, but thankfully I was able to grab it. The rest is history.
Oh, yes. Shit.
I started feeling like, no.
Oh, the Lobster King. There he is. Fresh spiny tail lobster. First spiny tail for you? Not bad. Oh, Filipino picking it out. Picking out the goodies.